So hello everybody and welcome to Fest, the YouTube channel where you can find out everything related to cars. Today we have this Tesla Model Y 2020 and we're going to review this car. So enjoy the review and let us know what you want to see on the channel. Okay, done. So here we are at the front of this car, and this car has a wheel grille because it looks like a wheel. So here we are at the front of this car. These are the headlights and they are fully LED. So the wheels are 20-inch, the tire also, and it's 255 millimeters wide. So these tires are the Michelin Pilot Sport EV. So here we are at the blinker of this car. It also fits the camera for outside and driving backwards. So here we are at the door handles of this car. They work like this, so you push it in and then the handle comes right out. So here we find the charging port. It's a DC charging hub for fast charging and normal charging at home. Here we find the tail light of this car, and it's also fully LED. These Tesla cars are very spacious, so you have a lot of room. But does it fit a human? And I think it doesn't fit one human in particular. I think you can fit more people in here. And if I'm honest, I think you can fit 3 people in here.
Kijk nou, hoppa! Oh nee, wacht, dat kan niet. Wait! Dit does actually fit! It does fit!
So guys, okay, it does fit 3 people. And here we find the button to fold down the rear seats. And here we find the 12-volt socket. So here we find the boot. This is a really big panel of the boot and you can fully remove this. And here you find another compartment where you can fit your weekly groceries. On the side of this car, on both sides, you have another space. I think about a watermelon. And now you can and now you can see how much room there is in this Tesla Model Y. It's just insane. And if you want, you can sleep with 2 people in here. It definitely fits 2 humans.
Yes, we shall demonstrate.
Oké, kom erbij liggen dan. Nicky, show us how much space there is. It definitely fits 2 humans.
Comfortably.
You can
With camping mode.
Camping mode, yes, definitely. Really impressed of this car. And as I said, this is the all black spec. So it has everything black on this car and it's pretty nice. So here we are at the back of this car. You have a very comfortable armrest and it also fits 2 cup holders. And here we find the vents at the back of this car. They don't support climate control at the back, but you get 2 USB-Cs. And you have very decent leg room. And here we arrive at the cockpit of this car. This is the very nice touchscreen infotainment system. Nicky's going to make a video that is all about this system. So if you want to see it, click up there and check out everything about this system. The very cool feature of this car is that you have wireless charging at the front of this car. So if you place your phone over here, it will charge automatically. So this car is packed with the very nice wooden interior and it has a normal steering wheel. It feels really sporty and it drives really comfortable. So this car has the new center console. It works pretty well and it fits a lot of stuff. Ja, probeer maar. Gewoon gas erop.
Echt doorontrekken.
So everybody, thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what you think of this car and see you guys in our next video. Ciao!